understanding the role of a data scientist. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting and increasingly important topic in the world of technology and business: data science. Specifically, we'll be exploring what a data scientist does, why this role is so crucial in today's data-driven world, and some key skills and areas of knowledge involved in this field. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of data science. A data scientist is like a detective in the world of technology. They analyze and interpret complex digital data, such as the vast amounts of information generated by users on the internet, to help businesses make informed decisions. Think of them as the bridge between the raw data and actionable insights. 1. Data collection. Gathering large sets of structured and unstructured data from various sources. 2. Data processing. Cleaning and verifying the integrity of data for analysis. 3. Data analysis. Using statistical techniques to interpret data, identify trends, and uncover hidden patterns. 4. Machine learning. Building predictive models and algorithms to make predictions or automate decision-making processes. 5. Data visualization. Creating visual representations of data to help understand findings and present them in an accessible way. 6. Problem solving. Addressing business challenges and finding innovative solutions through data analysis. Statistical analysis and mathematics, essential for interpreting data. Programming skills, particularly in languages like Python or R. Machine learning, knowledge of algorithms and predictive models. Data visualization tools, such as Tableau or Power BI. Communication skills, to translate technical findings to non-technical teams. Critical thinking, for effective problem-solving and decision-making. Data scientists play a crucial role in helping organizations make data-driven decisions. They provide insights that can lead to improved customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and strategic decision-making. In today's world, where data is everywhere, the ability to analyze and interpret this data is invaluable. And that wraps up our journey into the world of data science and the role of a data scientist. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating and vital profession and perhaps inspired some of you to explore this field further. Remember, in the age of information, being able to understand and use data effectively is a superpower. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.